Hello and welcome to this tutorial on the template for an HO scale car, 85-foot car rather, that you can 3D print yourself and you can customize with any door and window combination you want. In order to make the coach work, you'll need 5 components. First component is the coach male half. Second is the coach female half. Third component is the joiner block. Fourth component is the roof part 1. And the fifth component is the roof part 2. After you've 3D printed the coach and whatever windows and doors you wish to cut into it, you're going to want to use a clamp and glue the two halves together. I used epoxy to put the pieces together with a clamp. Then you're going to want to glue the joiner block together. After you do that, you're going to want to install your trucks. There is a hole in the 3D printed model, so you're going to want to drill and tap using a Kadee 256 screw and 2 of the Walthers Universal Truck Adapter pieces, and I use the Walthers trucks that come with the couplers. So you're going to want to do the same for both sides. Then what you can do with the joiner block, if you want, you can drill and tap with any self-tapping screw into the joiner block. But make sure when you use the joiner block, you print it at 100% infill. The rest of this can be done at 25. So now you're going to install your roof pieces. And then you can paint, and now your coach is ready to run.